Today's tough operating conditions can produce and retain more soot than ever before. Engine protection is a major concern for fleet managers. Anything that damages performance can cause downtime and hurt your bottom line. To see how well an engine oil protects vital components, you have to get right inside and examine the finest details. That's what we did with Duron E heavy-duty engine oil. We put Duron E 15W40 to the test in a Cummins ISX engine, hauling a demandingly heavy load of 140,000 pounds across Canada over challenging terrain and through some of the country's harshest weather conditions. We ran it for the life of the engine, 850,000 kilometers or 530,000 miles, and did oil changes every 70,000 kilometers or 43,000 miles, nearly 3 times the recommended interval for a load of this size. So how did Duron E perform? Let's take a close look. Pistons obviously have a major effect on engine performance. Look at the grooves where the piston rings sit. Deposit buildup here will cause ring sticking, and that affects ring movement, ring sealing, possible blow-by of fuel into the crankcase, and an overall loss of engine efficiency. By better controlling deposit buildup, Duron E helps maintain the optimal ring gap specification. That means better ring sealing and, in turn, more efficient combustion in the cylinder. Deposits on the piston undercrown can also interfere with and even interrupt piston movement, decreasing engine efficiency. The minimal deposit buildup seen here confirms the advanced thermal stability of the oil. Lubrication of the bearings is extremely important for maximizing engine efficiency and minimizing costly damage. Excessive direct contact with bearings due to poor lubrication can cause serious damage to the engine, especially when uneven wear occurs. That can greatly affect the timing of other moving parts. With Duron E, bearings are still in great condition even after 850,000 kilometers or 530,000 miles of severe service. The result is exceptional engine protection and performance. Protecting the liner also plays a critical role in engine performance. Here, the lubricant's job is to prevent the piston rings from causing wear on the liners. If that happens, it means less efficient piston and ring movement and could result in expensive damage to engine parts. The liner is designed with cross-hatching that helps give the lubricant additional traction. Since the cross-hatching is horizontal, we look for vertical scratches as indicators of wear. Here, the cross-hatching marks of the liners have only a slight polish loss of 4 to 7% after the entire engine life. It shows there has been very little contact between the piston rings and the liners, another sign of an efficient, well-lubricated engine. A check of the engine's oil pan can also provide insight into how well a lubricant is performing. This oil pan used to be yellow. Now it's covered in hardened sludge. An accumulation of sludge in the oil pan can be a sign of serious trouble, as it's an indication that sludge buildup is also occurring on other critical engine parts. Since it's sticky, sludge can restrict the movement of components and decrease engine efficiency. Sludge formations also cause spot increases in temperature. Because sludge holds on to heat longer, engine temperatures increase and efficiency decreases. Based on the color of this pan, we can see there is no buildup of sludge within the engine, another sign of an effective, high-performing lubricant maintaining an efficient engine. The smooth, efficient running of an engine depends on a number of variables, primarily the ability of all moving parts to be completely free and protected. Higher soot loads can increase the viscosity of oil, leaving engine components under-lubricated and susceptible to serious damage. Engine damage costs time and money. Today's tough operating conditions can produce and retain more soot than ever before. Duron E is specially formulated to effectively control viscosity-increasing soot particles and resist oxidative thickening. The result is unparalleled protection. The benefits are more uptime, lower maintenance costs, and optimal fuel economy maintained over the life of the oil, even under long drain intervals and tough operating conditions. It pays to keep your engines running at peak efficiency. Duron. Fight soot. Save money. For more information, visit www.fightsoot.com.